Hi everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube tutorial channel. My name is Alison, and in this tutorial we will be talking about an introduction to affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way of individuals and businesses to make money online. It involves promoting a product or services and earning a commission for each sales made as a result of your promotion. In this tutorial, we will look at step by step how to make money with affiliate marketing, from finding a product to promote to drive traffic to your affiliate link. But the first thing that you need to do as affiliate marketer is for you to choose a niche. The first step in making money with affiliate marketing is to choose a niche that you are passionate about. A niche is a specific topic or marketing that you will be focusing on. For example, if you are passionate about health and wellness, you might choose to promote products related to fitness, nutrition, and supplements. The second thing that you need to do is to find a product to promote. Once you have chosen a particular area that you want to promote, you choose the product that's in that field. Once you have chosen your own niche, the next step is to find a product to promote. There are many different product programs and network that you can join, such as Amazon Associates. You can also join ClickBank, or you can join a commission junction. This program allows you to promote products from a wide range of companies and earn a commission for each sales made as a result of your promotion. The third thing that you need to do is to create content. The next step is to create your own content that will drive traffic to your affiliate link. This can include posting, blog posting, videos, social media posting, and other type of content that are related to your niche and target audience. When creating your own content, remember, be sure to include your affiliate link in a way that it is natural and not too selling or sales, or let people know that you are selling to them, because people hate selling to. The next one that you're going to do is number 4, is to drive traffic to your content. Once you have created your own content, the next step is to drive traffic to it. This can be done through various methods such as SEO, social media marketing. You can also use paid marketing like Facebook ad, Google ad. It's important to find the right balance between free and paid method. The fifth thing that you need to do in order to make money as affiliate marketer is to optimize and tracking your results. It's very important to optimize your content, your traffic, and also tracking your performance so that you can know which area you need to put more effort. Is it a pay, advert, or organic generation traffic? Optimize and track your result. This is the final step, is to optimize and track your result. This includes testing different types of content, optimizing your website for conversions, and use tools like Google Analytics to track your traffic and conversion rate. By regularly analyzing your results, you can make adjustments and improvements to your affiliate marketing strategy to maximize your earning potential. This will help you to increase your performance when you can able to track what your performance right now. Affiliate marketing can be a great way for anyone that would like to make money online, but it doesn't require much effort or dedication. By following the step that I've just talked about outlined in this tutorial, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business and start earning money from comfort of your own house. It's just simple. And if you love my YouTube, I'm begging you, kindly help me to click the subscription button below. And if you want to know whenever I'm dropping a new tutorial, kindly help me to click the notification button so that you will get notified whenever I am uploading a new tutorial. Thank you, and see you in my next tutorial video.